Just 7 kilometers from Ramnagar lies Tiger Camp, which serves as a base for a pickup to your ride to Rivrine Woods. Get ready for an adventurous journey in a 4-wheel drive, far away from civilization, across the river in deep forest. The jeep drives through the river up to a point, and then a 5-minute walk takes you to Rivrine Woods. Rivrine Woods is nestled among the Himalayan foothills and located next to the Ramganga River inside the Corbett Tiger Reserve. This eco-friendly place is a community-based Mahseer conservation project and also functions as a resort for avid wildlifers, birdwatchers, anglers and nature lovers. The mud, stone and thatch cottages provide ample comfort to our guests with running hot and cold showers, room service, large verandas set amidst nature. Our specially trained chefs turn out sumptuous feasts for your palate using fresh, locally sourced farm produce. Trained forest guides take you for nature walks into the surrounding forest where many surprises await you. Rivrine Woods is also a birdwatcher's paradise with over 500 species in the vicinity. The Mahseer Conservation Project has allowed the Mahseer, goonch and trout to flourish once again in these waters. The catch and release policy of the project has been beneficial for wildlife and the local people. An elephant-back safari is the best way of enjoying what nature has to offer you in this paradise tucked away deep inside the Corbett Tiger Reserve.